Hey my friends, welcome back to a new video. Right now we'll be talking about the sequence of numbers 222, what it means. So something incredible is about to happen when you least expect it, my friends. I received many requests if I could make a video about the meaning of that sequence of numbers 2222. So let's talk about it. Number 2 is always bringing us the vibration of balance, the vibration of harmony, of stability. And when we start seeing number 222, often it means that our intention is or needs to be somehow connected with a greater stability in our lives, a greater balance. Let's say somebody wants to manifest more abundance in his or her life, and abundance for many people can represent that stability, right? And when we start visualizing those things, and when we start dreaming about it, we'll start meeting synchronicities. And often synchronicities can show up to us through numbers. That's how the universe is communicating with us. Everything is frequency. And numbers can be the first symbols or the greatest symbols of frequencies which can start showing to us that we're changing our vibration, that we're actually raising our vibration, and we're getting onto that state of harmony from which we are starting to attract or to generate the wanting results. But because at the beginning of our awakening journey, or of that journey of learning how manifestation works, often we get to that state and we fall off that state. But between that process of getting there and falling off and getting there and falling off, usually when we fall off, we start seeing synchronicities, which are actually reminders, which are telling to us what we need to focus on. So if you're seeing number 222 all over the place, it means that something incredible, whatever it is that you're visualizing or dreaming about, something related to your manifestation, is coming into your life. But what you need to focus on right now is to your commitment and the balance that you're creating with your commitment, whatever is connected with that manifestation. So let's use an example. You want to manifest abundance in your life. You have that clear idea, clear picture, or a vision about that abundance, how it looks like, how it feels like, and all of that. But then often you fall off the track and you start experiencing the lack of it. You look around yourself, you see it's not present yet, and you fall into that state of lack, right? You're lacking it, it's not present yet. And soon you turn on the phone and you see 222. So what it means, it's your reminder, my friend, get back to your state of harmony, because everything you're dreaming about will come to you, but it can only come to you when you're generating that vibration. So if we learn to demystify the signs that are showing up to us, we'll always be able to recognize them as a great messages that it's time to raise our vibration again. So get back into that state of harmony from which you're generating the vibration of your dreams, right? So we need to ask ourselves what we usually do or when we feel the presence of it. What we are doing when we feel the presence of what we want to manifest. And what we are doing when we feel the lack of that thing. What we do so we fall back into that old state of being. So we identify what we need to do more and what we need to do less, right? And by knowing what is helping us to stay on that vibration of wholeness, of already feeling as the results are already present, even if we can't see them yet, will help us to stay on that vibration longer. And we always become what we are practicing to be. So if we're constantly practicing who we want to become, sooner or later it will become our natural state, right? So for me, at the beginning of my journey, when I was focusing on manifesting more abundance, I was thinking about what is helping me to stay on that state longer. And I found out that every time I'm painting, I'm in that state of wholeness. I'm not thinking about what is missing. I even can't see what is missing because all my focus is in that creative process. So I found out that if I will start my day with visualizing and writing my goals and dreams down, and then most of my day I will try to do creative things, I will truly try to invest as much of my energy as I can into being creative. So back at that time I was painting really a lot. When I was not painting, I was making videos. When I was not making videos, I was learning about Photoshop, I was drawing, I was spending a lot of time in nature, I went for a run, I was working out. So it helped me to stay in that state of wholeness for sometimes even for a whole day. And then I saw that some manifestations started happening really fast. But the other days when I had the bad days, the days where I fell back into the old state, I was meditating a lot. Those days I was visualizing a lot, visualizing my dreams. And back at that time I was doing a lot of meditations from Dr. Joe Dispenza, because his meditations are really long, like 1 hour or 1 hour and 20 minutes. And those meditations truly helped me to get out of that state of emotional reaction and get back into wholeness. And every time I get back into that state of wholeness, I felt like I'm kinda changed. And often when I get out of that meditation, I wanted to create again. So you see, what helped me to manifest certain results was always to focus on what is helping me to stay in that state of wholeness. And it always works for me that way. So what it has to do with 222. If you're seeing number 222, the sequence of number 222 all over the place, the universe is reminding you, get back into balance. Balance your life, balance your mind. Become aware. Does your thoughts match your intentions? Does your actions match your thoughts and intentions? And create a great balance. Start thinking and doing similar things. Start talking and doing similar things so you can create that great balance. And you will see that your energy will become more aligned, stronger, and you will feel more alive. When we feel more alive, we feel more creative. When we are more creative, we are also more productive, but we are productive in that good way, in that positive way. We feel wholeness while we are doing things we love to do. And that's a beautiful process. When we are creative, we are in that flow state. In the flow state, we are not thinking about what is present, what is not present. We are just doing what we love to do. And that's what that greater consciousness actually wants you to do, because it's a beautiful state where we truly become creators of life, not victims of life, but creators of life. And that's what I believe that the ascension right now is all about, that great awakening is all about. And all the drama and stressful events that are happening on the world right now are truly our reminders to learn to get into the state of harmony. Doesn't matter what is happening, because we can only create the solutions for ourselves and for the world when we are in balance with ourselves at the first place. You can only help somebody when you are in balance with yourself, so you know how to help somebody, right? So I truly believe that all those things are triggers to remind us that we need to create a balance within ourselves so we can start projecting more of that balance, more of that harmony on the world. So I think it's important to talk about that sequence of numbers right now, not just because of the meaning why you're seeing it, but because of the message behind it. And it's not a coincidence that I've received many messages about it just right now. So I think it's important that more of us become truly aware of the creative force which is present within us, and that all of us start developing it more often so we can become better at expressing that unique creative energy through us. And therefore we can create and manifest more beauty on the world, which will connect us, which will unite us once again. And I think it can truly be a beautiful reality we can co-create all together. So my friends, if you're seeing number 222, it is your reminder that something incredible is about to happen in your life. But in order to truly experience that, you need to get back onto that state where you're vibrating on that level of already having it, and whatever is helping you to be on that state, to stay on that state, do it more often. That's what is truly bringing you more harmony into your life. Do things you love to do, things you're passionate about. Every time you're seeing number 222, get back to your passions, get back to what you love to do. And maybe if you find yourself at your job, or maybe somewhere where you don't like to be so much, and you start seeing that kind of a combination of numbers, you can still do something which can get you back into alignment. Maybe you can express gratitude for where you are or for what you're about to receive. Or maybe you can start thinking and daydreaming about some beautiful events that recently happened in your life, or some people you love or people that love you, so you can raise your vibration. You know, it's all about learning how to raise our vibration and how to stay in that harmonic state more often, because it is our natural state. We just need to realize what is pulling us off that natural state and cut away those things that are truly lowering us down, because the natural state is being creative, being in love, being in peace with ourselves and with life. So my friends, this is it for now. I hope it was insightful for you. I hope you found the answers within this video. And for everyone who would love to learn to paint with me, go and check out my other YouTube channel. Art Time is the name of it. Link is in the description of this video, and I want to thank you all for supporting my art in my Etsy shop. I Draw My Passion. Thank you so much. My friends, until the next time, I'm sending you all lots of love, power and blessings. Have a beautiful day and see you soon. One love.